for my birthday. My mom sends me money. I get coupons from places. You get freebies or discounted stuff. The only thing that I paid full price for, but I got a gift with it, was I found out I tried Makeup Forever HD. I wasn't really that impressed. I felt like it was just like any other, but it was good quality, and they just came out with the HD liquid, and this was with tax. It was $30, but my mom sends me fixed $50, so that's like the only thing I paid full price for, and it brought me up. I've had like 75 points for years because I don't shop at Sephora like ever. And so it finally got me up to my 100 points, and I was able to get a free Tarte lashes trial size mascara. With my coupon for it was $5 off of a $10, no, just $5 off of a purchase at Sally's. I got this. Last year I think they gave you a free sample of something, but I got the purple. I never tried the Wella Color Charm paints before, so I got the purple one. See how that goes. And since my hair's already been treated, it should stick. Ulta, they did not get in the birthday presents yet, so they gave me a ton of stuff. It was supposed to be like a skin cream. Okay, fell out. But a full-size NYX lip lingerie, the French maid. I've got like 3 of those French maid. Well, now I have 3. Because my daughter got it and she didn't like it. She gave me hers. I had bought my own, and now I got another free one. And there's a store that opened up here like a year ago, but I have not shopped at it, and I just went there and gifted myself. These were like $3 each, and this is pistachio, and this is mango. So I like putting these on and making my house smell good. Those wax tarts. So at Ulta, they gave me this for free as well, and it's a makeup remover, which is something I'm going to be using. I got 2 full-size Ulta shadows, and it's like one is a burgundy and one is like a nude, perfect for highlighting. That highlighter color is what I run out of the most quickly. Sephora gave me my birthday goodie, and it is lip samples, eyeliner, and powder. But I emptied out this little powder into a big powder because I finished my light colored powder and I went to my darker colored powder, and it's still too dark. I haven't tanned that much yet, so it's empty. But it was like just a face powder, and then mini eyeliner and some lip samples. So that was my birthday gift at Sephora. I think this was a coupon I got at CVS, and so I think it was $10 or something. So I think I only paid $3 for this, I think. Ulta, I had $10 off of a 20 of anything, or a $20, something like that. And so I got an Urban Decay eyeshadow because I was like, why not? It's gonna be $10, and it's tonic. It is a beautiful, like very, very light blue color, light blue. Very, very light purple color. It's like a dual tone color. So, yeah, I can't get it out. They've got it nice and sealed. But that's what I got. I don't know if you can see it, but they got it sealed in there. I'm gonna have to fight with the box to get it out. I got a coupon from NYX, so I put it in order. It's like $5 off of any order. So I got this. This is $10. So I got $5 off of that, or something like $11. And it's their new eyebrow pencil. I also got from Ulta for free this Lancome mascara. Since they didn't have the birthday thing, they just threw a bunch of stuff in the bag, man. They didn't play. Sephora also gave me some free samples of the avocado skin, some new avocado skin mask or something. At Walmart, it wasn't a coupon, but I was dying to find these, and I found this at Walmart. which is the new hair clay mask. I'm still trying to find the hair wipes, coconut hair wipes there at CVS, and they have the place to put them in, but they still don't have it. Family Dollar was having a clearance, and I got this, which was the BYS highlighters. It was like $2.50. Is normally, these are nice highlighters too. They are very pretty. Normally it's $5. They were just trying to get rid of stuff, and so I got the highlighters for $2.50, and I got some eye crayons, metallic eye crayons, for 75 cents each. So yeah, so that's all my birthday goodies, and so yeah, I'm gonna try and get pictures to you of everything. So yeah, so really excited about it, and when I see you next week, because I think, like I said, I only have like 3 appointments in the next 2 weeks. I'm exhausted. I'm like done. I'm freaking done. I'm gonna get back to the Fire and Ice Dragon. I've been dying to do that. So okay, I love you all, and I will see you next week. Mwah. Bye.